Today we start database management system. Before start the database management system or DBMS, we learn what is data. Okay. What is data? Data is a collection of raw facts. Means data is a collection of meaningful information. All kind of meaningful information is called data. Example: number, text, name, address. These all are called data. Okay. Then database. All the data are stored in a structured way for easily manage is called database. So what is database? Database, the organized collection of structured data that is stored and accessed electronically to manage more efficiently called database. Okay, all the data are stored in a place for easily manage is called database. Okay, for example, student details: name, data, roll number, address, contact, age, gender. These all are called data. Individually, these all are data. Okay. If the all data are stored, in structure way, that's called database. Okay, it's called database. Okay. Example: serial number, name, roll number, email, course. Okay. 1 is a data, name Raja is a data, roll number 100 is a data, email is a data, BSc is a data. Okay. These all are one kind of data. Okay. These all are one kind of data. If all the data are stored in a structured way, that's called database. All the data are you see that all the data are stored in a structured way, that's called database. Okay, I think, are you clear? I think this is clear. And now, how to store data? There are three techniques to store data. First, book and file system. Book and file system, nothing but there was a notebook where all the data are stored. That's called notebook or register where all the data are stored. That's called book and file system. Then flat file system. Flat file system, when computer is introduced, then all the data are stored in computer file format. All the data are stored in computer file format. That's called flat file system. And then introduce database. Okay, so let's check book and file system. Book and file system, it was the earlier mechanism adapted by organization to storing the information. So book and file system, there was a register where all the data are stored. Okay. Name, Raja, Joy. It's all those data. If it is a student register, register. So all the data, all the basic data of basic information of the student is registered here. That's called book and file system. Currently, it is not used in due to following drawbacks. Currently, book and file system is not used because there was a huge of drawbacks like maintenance problem. It is very difficult to maintenance all the register or notebook. Security problem. If anyone can access the register. Okay, so there have no security. Require more manpower. It maintain require more manpower to store the data. If the student details is if a student address is changed, then for example require more manpower and costly in maintenance. Okay, for example, it is a student. Okay, it is a student. This is a school student details in a class. If any student change their course, so we can so how we modify in book and file system? We cut the course, we cut the present course, and register a new course, BSc. Okay. These problems arise in book and file system. Okay. Then come flat file system. After the book and file system, when computer introduced, then come flat file system. Okay, when computer come into picture into the picture to overcome the problem of book and file system. Okay, advantages of flat file system: easily backup. If it is a computer file format, then we can easily backup all the details or all the data. Easily editing, remote access, and sharing portability. If we want to share one file one machine to another machine, we easily share the database or easily share the data. Okay, and easily edit in flat file system. We easily edit any information or any data of the student. Okay, but there was some disadvantage in flat file system: data retrieval problem, security problem. If anyone know the password of this computer or of this system, so this person is easily access the all data. Okay, data redundancy problem, data integrity, indexing problem. Okay, these all are the disadvantage of flat file system. To resolve these problems, then come database. Okay, then come database. What is database? All the details are stored in a database mm, in a systematic way. Okay, these are the data, and it is the database store the all details or all data. Okay, advantages of database: in database, data retrieval is easily data retrieval. Security: in database, if anyone create a database, so another person does not open or does not access the data from this database. Okay, data redundancy, data integrity, data indexing. Data indexing means we can easily find any data from a huge database. Okay, what is DBMS? And now we start our main topic, DBMS or database management system. Okay, DBMS DBMS stands for database management system. Okay, a data if a data store in a structured way, that's called database. And how to handle the database? It's called database management system. Okay, it is the software designed to create. Database is a software, okay, designed to create, manage, and interact with data. The database is introduced to create a database, or to create, manage, and interact the database. Okay. Note: it provides a systematic way to store. Database management system provides a systematic way to store data or access data, store, retrieve, and manipulate the data by ensuring data integrity, security, and accessibility. Okay. Then, while the data DBMS introduced, set of the data models are arrive in market, they are below. When database introduced, hey, in the market, there are a lot of data models are represented, or there are a lot of data models are arrived in the market. First, RDBMS means relational database management system. NoSQL DBMS. HDBMS means hierarchical database management system. And OODBMS means object oriented database management system. Okay. That's we learn. Learn RDBMS. RDBMS stands for relational database management system. Okay. Store data in RDBMS. Store data in a tabular format, row or column. In RDBMS, all the data are stored in a tabular format or table format, in row or column. Okay. For example, Oracle, MySQL, Postgre SQL, etc. NoSQL database. NoSQL database, data store data in unstructured format. In NoSQL database, there all the data are stored or any format, or un, mm, in NoSQL database, data stored in unstructured format. Okay. For example, MongoDB, Redis, etc. HDBMS or hierarchical database management system. In hierarchical database management system, store data like a tree or organization structure. Tree. We know, if a binary tree, there was a parent, then uh, then then they have child. Okay. Like this, there was a main there was a hierarchical database management system. There was a parent component or parent nodes. In these parent nodes, in this under these parent nodes, there are some another nodes. Okay, like a company. In companies, and in companies under, there are employee 1, employee 2, employee 3, and these employee under, and under this employee 1, there was a employee another name, employee child, employee name, employee child, employee name, employee child. These form a tree structure. Okay, so in HDBMS, the data are stored in a tree structure. Okay. Note: on the basis of HDBMS, IBM is a organization launched the first HDBMS software in IMS. IMS means Information Management System, in year of 1960. Okay, and then NDBMS. NDBMS means Network Database Management System. Network Database Management System store data in Physical structure, sorry, stored data in graphical structure where nodes are directly connected to each other. Okay. Network database management system, all the data are all the data or all the nodes are directly connected to each other. Like for example, there was a university, and in this university, under this university, there was a math department, computer lab, library. If a computer department student is also a part of a math department student, in computer lab, math department student come to computer lab, means all the nodes are connected each other. Okay. Note, on the basis of this model, the Codacil standard organization provides was IDSA. IDS means Integrated Data Store, a database software in year of 1964. Okay, I think all the topics. I think all the topics are clear. If you have any doubt, so comment. If someone first visit our channel, please subscribe, like, comment, share.